Oi everyone, this is Planet Dead with yet another unboxing, but this time it is for Milady to show.
So it's Reina-sama, and I bought this Canis Wolfborn, I don't know, Canis Wolfborn, yes,
Yes.
for my birthday, which is tomorrow. My grandma gave me some money, so own birthday present for myself. I have been wanting this kind of long time. I don't know when was the first time that I mentioned this, but yeah. So now it's my own, my precious.
Yes, her precious. Here is the knife. Always be careful with this.
No, I'm not
Needs
so.
tiny bit more cutting. Whoops. There you go.
So here is the box. Here is the other side, or back side.
Looks pretty awesome.
Yeah, long beard and cute wolf.
And the wolf claws.
Yeah.
Kinda like lightning claws, but maybe even better. Not sure, but most likely they are better than the regular lightning claws.
Why they are better?
I recall that there's some special rule which makes them better, not just shred, but some other rule. They may have a better armor piercing, or they have the strength plus.
Is there any flaws? I don't know.
I don't know yet. We shall see.
No.
These clam bags are kinda nasty to open. So here we have the claws themselves, and some yes, the backpack I think, and some other part. I don't know what that is.
I don't know what it is actually. It looks like some hand. I don't know. Like hand, like hand, but yeah. I don't know. Maybe it has also claws, but they are like miniature claws, and I don't know. Or is it, by the way, the wolf's paw?
Yeah, it could be. Yeah,
Like
looks like it.
Like in the picture when
One of the front paws.
front paws, which is
Yes.
like this.
Yeah, I think it is. Indeed,
Okay.
I think so.
Silly me. Not hand, but paw.
And it looks rather flawless to me. Looks rather detailed and nice. Only tiny bits of that flash, which is easily removed.
Okay, and here is wolf's other legs.
Yep, and actually
And-
the
and
upper
head.
part of the head looks kinda huge.
No, well, bigger than the, what was the back called?
The,
Wolf back. I don't know.
the Fenrisian wolves
Yeah, Fenrisian wolves.
looks larger than those of the Fenrisian wolves you got.
Yeah. Is there any flaws? I don't know about this Finecast stuff.
Kinda looks rather flawless if we take the better zoom. Looks rather flawless to me. Yes, quite flawless. Yes. No need to send this back.
But there is.
I'm not sure about that, the tiny holes in here. Not so critical, but it kinda maybe a tiny bit of flaw, but not really critical to me.
Okay.
Not sure of that, but it may be. I don't know if. Yeah, somewhere around here there's tiny little specks, like little holes going through, but nothing serious.
Okay. 10 is the torso.
Oh, the Wolfborn himself is already cast onto this mold. He's already on the back. I thought that he may be a separate model which you stick on the wolf's back, but the rider and the wolf, they are in one piece.
Or wolf's torso.
Wolf torso.
And the rider.
Yeah.
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 I don't know. It looks like kinda nice.
Yeah,
I
rather.
mean the rider. It's kinda nice. Actually. But what is that hole in there?
Oh.
Oh, no.
Oh, I don't know.
Is it fatal or?
Oh, I don't think so, since the front paws they cover up this area, so it is not really critical. It may only may tiny bit affect on how do you get them glued together, but no, I don't. You won't, in the end, once you have assembled this and painted, you won't see this.
Yeah.
You will not see this.
So it is okay.
Yeah, it is okay. This is the end of the face. I'm not sure how do I display it here.
Turn it around
Yes,
a little bit. And maybe camera.
it's not
Do you
even
have
sharp enough for this. It may not. Oh, yeah. The cam has reached its limit, so. But yeah, I can see that the face is flawless too. The faces are, I think, the most critical part. That if those are screwed,
Yeah.
then it's gonna nasty. Looks rather okay to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, so those are the parts, and there's
And
the
here's
large
the face. Large one base.
base.
So I don't know. I'm gonna use some snow in the base.
Which we also got.
Yeah, well, that's not
Yeah.
not important to say, but yeah. And I'm gonna paint the rider's armor like grayish blue with rusty details. I don't know, maybe. And well, yeah.
Like not so pristine as the regular Space Wolf's team is, but more weathered and rusty, like more worn out, not that pristine.
Yeah, gives that what you say badass
More badass
look,
feeling. Yeah.
look to the character. So it's more my style. I don't know. Yeah, I haven't been painting so much. Well, but I'm gonna try it myself still, even though this is so important character for myself. But yeah, so Combate for me.
Yay!
Yeah.
What may you be
the
getting?
face is gonna be the hardest part, I think. But
yes.
I have been painting kinda nice eyes. So
yes.
So
You did well with the Vendrisian wolves.
Yeah, and it was kinda nice in that core what I painted.
Yes,
that
basement core.
Black.
Gore.
Yeah.
You did well with that too.
Yeah, so maybe, yeah, like if I show it to you guys.
Yeah, we could give a demo.
That core. So
that gore fellow. So
my style is kinda messy, not so. How I. Yeah, so it is kinda, I don't know, not the most traditional looking core, but yeah, it is my style, my own style.
And really cool new things.
Yeah, and base has some grass on it, and it is kind of nice. Green and yellow flag. I don't
Kind
know.
of like the Dragwald forest theme, but not quite, since your beastmen come from the way up north, not
Yeah.
from the woods.
So,
As
well,
of the fluff.
yeah, kinda looks nice. Okay, this was first or second figurine which I painted
Hey,
actually.
I don't remember if it's second.
It was second because I painted that one goal for you.
Yep, and actually you painted that one old school Minotaur, but you didn't like that result.
Yeah, that doesn't count.
More like a practice to you.
Yeah, but yeah, this was okay. Actually,
So which Space Wolf set might you get next?
I don't know. Maybe some tank
Basic dudes or
maybe tank.
yeah, perhaps like a rhino.
Yeah,
You could try try out that old and rusty stuff on that.
yeah. So
It will be
I
quite
could
easy to
practice some metallic painting more because I haven't done that at all actually. So it would be nice to practice that one too.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was enough about my Canis Wolfborn. And yeah,
Yeah,
I am a newbie, but kampatte for me.
Kampatte. And next time more unboxing. Perhaps more of the Space Wolf, since I have a shitload of stuff to paint. And I haven't even shown all of the stuff yet that I've actually done. Only one update thing, if I may. Here's a bit of the Possess that I got. Haven't posted online yet, but it may be online when this comes up. But still, if this comes up earlier than the Possessed unboxing, there's some tiny bit demo of what I'll be coming up with. So yeppers. See you guys soon, or
See
sooner
ya.
or later.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.